How to change channel count. Once an IntelliMix Room endpoint has been activated, you can change to a license with a different channel count if you've already purchased one. You might need to change licenses if you activated the wrong license for a particular room or project. You must go to the project that the IntelliMix Room endpoint is in and navigate to the Licenses tab. You can see in our example that this endpoint has been activated with a 16-channel license. Let's say you want to change this endpoint to an 8-channel license. You need to navigate to the Properties panel and select License and select 8 channels. This will bring up the Change Channel Count message with a warning, Proceed with caution. Changing the channel count erases all of your current audio settings and resets them to default values. After the reset, you must reactivate the installation from Licenses. Select Continue. This takes you back to the IntelliMix Room Installations in Shure screen. You can see that channel count has changed, but the endpoint has become unlicensed. You need to reactivate the endpoint by clicking on the Activate button. The Activation Pending message pops up. Click OK. Once the endpoint has internet access, it will activate the new license channel count, as long as there is an available purchased license in your account.